all. Today we are gonna draw this cake together. So let's get started. First I am sketching the cake exactly how I want it. Now I am adding a couple of cherries on top. By the way, you can already tell from my channel name that I am a noob artist. So instead of judging, maybe appreciate a little. This tiny body has a big heart. It will make me very happy. Now I am going over the sketch with pen. Next, I am filling the middle part of the cake with a color that looks like my skin foundation shade. I will use brown for the bottom part. Now mixing red and orange to color the cake and cherries. Oh, and by the way, I make all my art using just my little fingers on mobile. Adding some highlights using a bit of red and white. Then I add some round details on top. Now I am using a purple plus white shade to start detailing the top cream. We need to show that the cream is dripping down and looking super delicious. So I am trying my best. I can do it. Then more detailing, more effort. In the video it looks like it took only 5 minutes, but in reality it took 1 hour. Now I am trying to make the cream look wavy, obviously to make it prettier. Also, I randomly added some mustache braid style lines inside the cake. No idea why. You guys are getting NoobArtist plus Broken Artist combo. You guys are lucky. Okay. And somehow I wrote something in a random language at the bottom. What am I doing? Anyway, now adding a pink background. Yay! It looks nice, right? Am I right? Even if it doesn't, just say yes. I will pray someone drops a bag of $1 million in front of your house. Alright, that's it for today's art. See you later. Bye bye.